Okay, in addition to drilling my 1/8 inch rivets 2 inches apart along the root end of my horizontal stabilizer, I've also gone ahead and tapped down all the corners of all my gussets. I used a rubber mallet, or you can simply use a block of wood and gently tap down all the edges of the gussets. And I've also gone ahead and placed some clear plastic tape over it just to help be sure that it's not going to tear any of our fabric. I've also gone ahead and installed my no stretch nylon tape from the root leading edge back to the gusset on the trailing edge, and that just helps to keep the piece from twisting as we tighten our fabric. In this case, I've already had this installed on the airplane, and I don't want it to twist. If it twists, my installation mounts aren't going to be in the right place, so I go ahead and put that in there just to keep it from twisting. You can also see that I've got this noted on here that this is my right horizontal stabilizer. On all of our components, horizontals, flaps, ailerons, we always want to start with our piece upside down. That way when we finish our fabric, when we finish putting our fabric on here, the wrap will be on the bottom side of the horizontal stabilizer, so you won't have to see that extra flap, so that from the top side it'll just be a nice smooth piece of fabric. Okay? You can also see that I've gone ahead and put my blocks on the root end to go ahead and hold my horizontal stabilizer from moving so that I can strap the fabric tight. You can also see that I've gone ahead at the back end of my table, installed the C-clamp and attached my ratchet strap to it directly in line with the direction that I'm going to be pulling and tightening my fabric. If it's off one way or the other, you're going to end up with wrinkles that you don't necessarily need. And you can see how I've done my leading edge here. Again, because of the folding wing that I have this folding tail, excuse me, I have an insert in here. It's not going to slide into the tube like the trailing edge does. And again, I've gone ahead and set my C-clamp up, and I'm going to be ratchet strapping straight in line with the horizontal stabilizer. Now I'm going to go ahead and get the fabric on here. One more important thing is to have clean tools. Especially in this case, I'm working with white fabric today. It's very important to clean all of your tools before going any further. A little bit of grease on your C-clamp can really upset you when you're dealing with something white like this. So go ahead and clean all your tools and be very close to a sink so that you can clean your hands very often.